If you're wondering which VPN is best for your multi-device household or which free VPN can still offer solid protection, you've probably stumbled across IPVanish versus Hide. Me VPN. These two have their unique strengths, but which one delivers the most value for what you're looking for? Stick around because I'm about to dive into exactly that, and I'll even recommend something better at the end. So let's see if IPVanish or Hide Me can meet your needs, or if there's a different option you should be considering. First, let's start with the core question. Which one is the best for multi-device households? IPVanish has an edge here with its unlimited device support, so no matter how many gadgets you have, whether it's phones, tablets, laptops, or even smart TVs, you can keep them all secured under one account. This is perfect for families or anyone running a household with a lot of tech. However, while IPVanish's multi-device support is impressive, some of its server performance can be a bit inconsistent, especially during peak hours. It's still solid, but that's worth noting. Next, let's look at Hide.me VPN. Hide. Me doesn't match IPVanish on device support. It only covers 10 devices under one account, which might not be enough for a large household. But here's the thing. It's incredibly fast and reliable for the devices it does support. Hide. Me also gives you the ability to pick from a wide range of server locations, which helps improve overall connection quality, even if it doesn't quite match IPVanish in quantity. If you're looking for a VPN that works well on a couple of devices, but delivers fast speeds with good security, Hide.me might be a better fit. Now, let's dive into the free VPN aspect. Hide.me definitely stands out here because they offer a free plan, which is pretty rare for a VPN provider. However, it's not without its limitations. The free version gives you 10 gigabytes of data a month, which is enough for light browsing or secure connections when you're on the go. The downside? You can only connect to a limited number of servers, and speeds can dip if you're not paying for the premium service. But for someone just looking to try out a VPN or use it occasionally, it's a solid option. On the other hand, IPVanish doesn't offer a free plan. If you're looking for a free VPN solution, IPVanish won't be your choice, but its paid service comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, which offers a risk-free trial. However, there are other services out there that provide a similar paid plan with a more transparent privacy policy. Now, here's something important you should know. While both of these VPNs are decent for what they offer, when it comes to value for money and overall performance, there's another option you might want to consider. I've tried all of these myself, and honestly, there's a VPN service that gives you a better combination of speed, device support, and security. To wrap up, IPVanish is great for multi-device households and solid overall, but it doesn't offer a free plan and may have some server performance inconsistencies. Hide.me is your best bet if you want a free VPN with fast speeds but can handle fewer devices and limited server options. However, after testing these, I'd recommend checking out the alternative I mentioned earlier for a better experience. It's more reliable, offers better value, and with the free trial available through the first link in the description, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else.